Hello teachers. In this particular video, I'll be covering up how a teacher can make use of Khan Academy resources for teaching purpose. I'll be covering up the following topics in this particular video. I'll be covering up how a teacher can log in into Khan Academy for the first time, how to choose a specific course, how to invite students for the class, how teacher tool can be explored properly, how to assign a task to the student, how to monitor the progress of the student, as well as how a teacher can make use of Khan Academy during online class in Google Meet. So I'm starting with the first topic, that is how to log in into Khan Academy. First of all, teacher need to open a browser where they have to search Khan Academy. As soon as they will be clicking onto them, the first option, that is Khan Academy free online courses, lesson and practice, they have to choose or click onto this. After clicking onto them, they can prefer to choose the option, that is teachers. They can join Khan Academy with various options, but they can prefer to choose continue with Google. After clicking onto them, they will be asked to write the email ID with the help of which they want to join Khan Academy. After proper authentication will be done, it will allow the user to get into the system. I am doing it for the first time. So it will look something like this. As soon as I'll be getting into the system, I can find it out. It will show this kind of option for the first time, where I have to click on to let's get started. After clicking onto them, I can find the various classes option are shown over there, where I can find class 1 maths, class 2 maths, class 3 maths. In the similar way, I can get every mathematics subject from class 1 to class 12 onwards. In the similar way, mathematics foundation for class 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is also provided. A particular student or teacher can also excel in various mathematical topics like algebra, trigonometry, statistics, calculus, etc. In the similar way, teacher can also teach physics in Hindi, as well as they will also get some kind of option like class 9 physics, class 10 physics, as well as chemistry, physics, as well as biology option is provided for them. In this similar way, there are other different options that can be used by the teacher for the benefit of the children. Let's think about, I'll be choosing class 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 mathematics for the first time. As soon as I'll be clicking onto the check box, I have to click onto continue option to proceed. As soon as I'll be clicking onto them, I have to add my school. I have to click onto another country and I have to choose India from there. Then I have to choose I'm a teacher using this self-service on behalf of a school. I understand and agree to comply with the requirement for approving student account. Click onto this and click Save. After clicking onto that, you can find a class is created in front of you, where you can find your class 6 maths is shown over there. In a similar way, I can add new class by clicking over there. As soon as I'll be clicking add new class, I'll be getting a facility to join my student with the help of Google Classroom option. Just click on to import your class from Google Classroom, and then after choose connect our Google Classroom account. As soon as you'll be clicking onto them, you will be linked directly with the account. As soon as you'll be clicking onto them, you'll be finding that the class or a particular email ID that is somehow related to the class, that is Google Classroom, will be shown over there. Along with that, a list of classes will also be displayed. A teacher need to just choose a specific class from there, and then after they can continue with the process. I'm showing you this particular thing over there in my slide. After clicking on to a particular country, a teacher will be getting an option like this, where they have to click on to add new class. After clicking on to that, they can import their class from Google Classroom. After the importing will be successful, they can choose a specific class from the list that is being provided over there. For example, here the class being shown is Computer Application Class 9. In the similar way, a particular Google Classroom account that's been connected successfully can be used by the teacher to add new student in their class. Just right now, this is a dummy account, so I cannot add new student over here. So, I'll be exploring various options that's been provided over there. First of all, you can find it out the username at the top of the page. Click on the username. You'll be getting option like Learner Home, Teacher Dashboard, Setting, Help and Logout option. Just click on to Teacher Dashboard option. After clicking on to Teacher Dashboard option, a page similar to this will get open. Just click on to your class. After clicking on to it, you can find the student roster will get open. I have to import my class to continue with the information. I can find that no student have been enrolled, but I can add new student as suggested. In the similar way, I can also share my class code to this student such that they can join freely in my class. So either I can join student with the help of Google Classroom, or manually I can send Google Classroom code to the student such that they can join manually. You can find this is a teacher tool. After clicking onto a teacher tool, you can find various options on the left hand side of the page. For example, course mastery, placement, assignment, and then after assign, course, and then after various options for the students. For example, a teacher wants to assign a particular task to a student. For the thing, teacher need to click on to assign option. As soon as they will be clicking on to assign option, they will be having a set of different chapters that's a part of class 6 maths. For example, a teacher wants to start with the chapter that is integer. So after clicking on to them, the various topics that are present within the class within this particular chapter will be displayed. For example, the topic called integer, ordering of integer is the one that I want to assign. So click on to assign at the top. After clicking on to assign at the top, you can find it out. It will be asking for the student to which I want to send this particular assignment, as well as the due date by means of which the student need to complete the assignment. I can also set the time limit up to which the student need to complete the assignment. So this is the way by means of which teacher can assign any task to a student. After assigning a particular task to a student from a set of different chapter as well as the content that is been provided over there, the student will be getting this particular assignment in their dashboard. After they can see all those options in their dashboard, they can continue with the assignment. And the teacher can easily track student with the help of various options that's been provided over there. The teacher can choose scores option. So after clicking on the scores option, teacher can find various categories of student, those who are performing. A student who is not performing well must be attended well by the teacher, such that they can improve themselves in the future. In the similar way, teacher can also find it out how a particular student is doing in a particular topic. They can see the score of various students. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, total 8 students were given, out of which the exercise that was provided by the teacher on January 3rd, all the students have scored 100 out of 100. But on January 3 assignment, only few number of students have scored 75% marks, but a very less number of marks is scored by the student. So teacher can easily focus on student number 2, student number 4 as well as student number 6 and 8, those who have scored less in that particular assignment. So in this way, the student can perform well by seeing where they are lacking and where they have to improve themselves. So a teacher can assign any tasks to the student related to a chapter. They can click onto the chapter and they can easily click onto the lesson option, where a student will be provided with a set of videos as well as some exercises, as well as they will be getting some kind of article to have a better grip onto a particular chapter. A student can prefer to find exercises, quizzes, tests, videos as well as article that will enhance their knowledge onto a particular subject as well as topic. So after assigning a task to the student, a teacher can easily monitor the topic that they have covered, and it can be easily done with the help of activity overview option as well as the score option. As I've already covered that, the activity overview actually covers topic like total learning minutes, skill level of option as well as the skill progress in a particular topic or a subject. In the similar way, score option helps the teacher to identify the various category of student, and there it also helps the teacher to find out which student need more effort from their point of view. Just right now, I'll be covering up how a teacher can make use of Khan Academy resources during online classes. So it's very easy thing. If a teacher wants to make use of Khan Academy resource, so they can easily do it by just joining a meeting in Google Meet with their student. As soon as student will join the meeting with the teacher can easily cast the screen, and then after they can easily switch on to Khan Academy content from the another tab. For example, if a teacher will open Google Meet, they can find Khan Academy content on the another tab. After sharing the screen, a teacher can view the content as well as they can make the student understand from the selected list of content provided by the Khan Academy. Few effective uses of Khan Academy resources by our teacher are shown in the next video. So hopefully this particular video helps teacher to understand the following topic clearly. In this video we have learnt about how a teacher can log in into Khan Academy, how a teacher can choose specific course from a list of courses. We learnt about how a teacher can invite students through Google Classroom. In a similar way, we have learnt a bit regarding teachers tool, and then after how you can assign a task to the student related to a particular subject, and then after how you can monitor the tasks of the student, and how a teacher can make use of the Khan Academy resources for online classes in Google Meet. Thank you teachers for watching the video. Thank you very much.